Okay guys, so today I'm checking out the A110. Actually checked out several of these models previously. They come in different, obviously, form factors. Elevator control in the back, and then throttle control via these two brush motors on the wings. And actually this was, I think, one of the first ones of this series that came out. Someone reminded me of FPV this one. So what I'm going to do is I'll just go through the line of sight flight at the very end of the video and show you the FPV footage of this. I'm just going to add the FPV camera probably on the front. I didn't add any of the decorative items like the bomb and then the little tail piece at the bottom, and also the wheels. Those aren't on here, just to keep the weight down. And then this little propeller in the back is completely decorative as well. I'll probably remove that at some point. But I'll just show you the line of sight at the very end of the video, and then the FPV video will come right after this segment. Okay, so this should work like the other ones. To plug in the battery, turn it on, got a flashing red light, turn on the transmitter, we got a flashing red light, throttle all the way up and down, and then the gyro should stay sync or calibrate, and we should have elevator control and throttle. Alright, so let's see how this flies. Wind is kind of coming and going. It's calm now, so we'll see how it does it in wind a little bit later. It does seem like it's a bit tail heavy. Maybe the not having the wheels on the front there actually do make a difference because it's such a light airplane. So I'm just gonna, don't want to throttle up too much. And there's a gyro on here that keeps it level and also counteracts any wind effects. But it's a nice little flyer here. The winds are very calm, and you can see the decorative propeller in the back spinning. That is actually not for power at all. There's two motors on the wings that aren't actually on the real life model, but that's how it steers. It's a 2-channel operation. But it's pretty predictable. I can get pretty close here, so we can get a little bit lower. Yeah, right now the winds are nice and calm, so it's flying nicely. Let's turn around the other way here. Yeah, I could tell with it being a bit tail heavy, it wants to nose up. So yeah, I think if you want to fly this line of sight, definitely recommend putting the wheels on there or some sort of other weight. Pretty easy to fly. Should be a good plane for pretty much any beginner as a starter. I'm going to put this into the I guess this is stunt mode. I think it'll turn the self-leveling off. Take it up a little higher. Yeah, the button on this one doesn't seem to work. I don't hear anything. Okay, actually it doesn't make any beeps, but it does let you do loops, as you can see. It doesn't let you do rolls because there's no ailerons. So loops are definitely possible. Not sure about flying it inverted. Let me see if I can do that. Nope, just stalls out. Oh. You kind of have to get into a dive and then do a loop to get some speed. You can see the CG is a bit off, so small loops. Let's try to do a bigger loop here. Oh, no. I think I'm losing, I don't have enough power. Alright, I think that's enough of the fun. The wind is definitely picking up here. I'm not sure if you can hear it on the camera, but it's not doing too bad, but it does make it a bit harder to control for the beginners. Try and fly us on non-windy days. It is getting pushed around a bit more and definitely goes way faster downwind and doesn't turn as well downwind as well. Skidded it off the little concrete plate there and right into the bench. You can see no damage at all. So I think this is made of EPP foam, so yeah, it should be able to take little hard landings like that, no problem.